Hey guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some easy nail ideas using my MAKARTT times Gabby Angelique collaboration collection. Oh my gosh. But before I even get into that, I just want to say thank you guys, because seriously, if it wasn't for your support, watching my videos, liking, commenting, and just sharing this love of nail art with me, this would not be possible. And not just this collaboration, but just YouTube and this being my job in general. And it's still crazy to me sometimes because I think about it and I'm just like, I get to paint my nails as a job. Like, I have loved nail art since I was like 7, and now I get to do that as a job. Like, that is crazy to me, and I just feel so blessed to be able to do this. So thank you for just everything. But anyways, back to the collection, guys. This is exactly what I had pictured in my head, from the color, the packaging, and just the little arches on each bottle. This was just my vision coming to life, and that's why it's so just surreal to even be holding this right now and sharing it with you guys. But I'm gonna zoom you guys in and just talk to you about what comes in this and how to do some nail looks. Here is the collection up close. It looks so sleek and simple. I absolutely love it, and you can get it right now on MAKARTT's website and also Amazon. I'll have them both linked down below in the description box. But the set is $39.99, which ends up being around $6 per gel. And with this collection, I really wanted it to be just your essential colors. So it comes with a black, a white, a silver, a white iridescent shade, a rose gold, and a gold. And because these are gel polish, you will need to cure them underneath the lamp, but it's a really simple process. You start off with your gel base color, cure that, apply your design, cure that, and then finish off with a top coat. So what I love about these, besides packaging and the colors, is the formula. So it is pretty thick, which may seem intimidating, but that's actually what makes this so easy to use, because you don't have to worry about it kind of smearing around the nail or going where you don't want it to go, because it stays put, and that just gives you more control over the design overall. But definitely make sure you wipe off the brush before you paint your design on. I'm telling you, it will make everything so much easier. And yeah, with that being said, I really hope you guys like this collection. I hope you like the designs, and I will talk to you in my next video.